Today feels special. I don't know why, but it really does. The sunlight is soft and warm on my face. I open my eyes and smile a little. I feel calm, but also a little excited. Maybe something nice will happen today. I sit up slowly and look around my room. Everything is quiet and peaceful. I like mornings like this. I walk to the window and look outside. The sky is bright blue. People are already walking outside. I see a woman with a small dog. The dog is running and jumping. It makes me smile. I don't want to stay inside today. I want to go out and enjoy the day. Yes, today I am going to the park. I go to the hallway and find my shoes. They are right where I left them. I sit down and put them on slowly. Today I am not in a hurry. I just want to enjoy everything. I tie my shoes carefully. Then I take my small bag. I check inside. Phone, keys, everything is there. I smile again. It feels like I am going on a little trip. I take a deep breath. I open the door. Fresh air comes inside. It feels cool and nice. I step outside slowly. The day has started. The street is calm and quiet. I start walking slowly. I hear birds above me. They sound happy today. I see my neighbor near his car. He waves at me. I smile and wave back. "Good morning," he says. "Good morning," I answer. It feels nice to talk, even for a moment. I keep walking. A little dog runs past me. It stops and looks at me. Then it wags its tail. I laugh softly. "Hello, little friend," I say, and I continue my walk. I arrive at the park. It feels open and fresh here. The air smells clean. I take a deep breath. It feels so good. The trees are tall and green. Sunlight moves through the leaves. The ground looks bright and alive. People are walking, but it is still calm. No one is rushing. I like this feeling. I walk slowly on the path. I hear leaves under my feet. The sound is soft and relaxing. I feel lighter already. This place feels different. This place feels peaceful. I hear birds again, closer this time. I stop and look up. I see two birds on a branch. They are singing together. I stand still and listen. It sounds like music. A little boy stands near me. He is looking at the birds too. "They are loud," he says. "Yes," I smile, "but they sound happy." He laughs a little. Then he runs back to his mother. I keep smiling. That was a nice moment, small but nice. I keep walking slowly and listening to the sounds around me. Suddenly, I see something move. A small squirrel runs across the path. It stops near a tree. It looks at me. I stop too. We look at each other. It feels funny and calm at the same time. I don't move. The squirrel comes a little closer, then stops again. Its eyes are bright and curious. I smile softly. "Hello," I whisper. It moves its tail quickly, then suddenly runs away. I laugh quietly. That made my day. I find a bench under a tree. I sit down slowly. The shade feels cool and soft. I relax my shoulders. I take a deep breath. Everything feels calm. I watch people walking by. A couple is talking quietly. A man is reading a book. Someone is jogging slowly. Life is moving, but gently. I close my eyes for a moment. I hear birds again and the wind in the trees. I feel completely relaxed. No stress at all. Just peace. I stand up and start walking again. I see a woman near the path. She drops sunglasses from her bag. I walk closer. "Excuse me," I say. She turns and looks at me. "You dropped sunglasses," I say. I give her the small item. "Oh, thank you so much," she smiles. "You're welcome," I say. We both smile. It feels warm and kind. Just a small moment, but it matters. I feel happy inside. I continue walking slowly with a soft smile. I slowly walk toward the park exit, taking my time with every step. I don't want to rush this moment. The path feels calm and familiar now. I gently turn my head and look back one more time. The park looks quiet, soft, and peaceful in the warm light. The trees are still, and the air feels gentle. I take a deep breath and smile. I feel grateful for this simple walk. It was such a good idea to come here today. I didn't know I needed this, but I really did. Now I feel lighter, both in my body and in my mind. And I feel happier too, in a calm and quiet way. Sometimes we just need fresh air and a little space. Just a moment to slow down and breathe. I take one last look at the trees and the path. Then I turn forward and walk out of the park. With a calm heart and a soft, peaceful smile. I know I will come back here again, very soon. I walk back through the street slowly. Everything feels softer now, like the world is more calm. The noise is quiet and nothing feels too loud. The air is warm and gentle on my face. I take a deep breath and enjoy this moment. I think about my day in the park. I remember the birds singing in the trees. They sounded so happy and free. I remember the small squirrel. It was quick and a little funny. I also think about the people I met. The neighbor who smiled and waved at me. The little boy who looked at the birds, and the woman I helped for a moment. All these small moments stay in my mind. They feel simple but also very special. They make me feel warm inside. Maybe simple things are the best things in life. I keep walking slowly down the street. I am not in a hurry today. I just want to enjoy the last part of this walk. My steps feel light and easy. I feel peaceful inside. My mind is calm and quiet. My heart feels warm and happy. It was a very good walk today. I come back home slowly after my walk. I open the door and step inside. The house feels quiet and calm again. I take off my shoes and put them in their place. Then I sit down and take a small rest. I take a deep breath and relax my body. Everything feels peaceful around me. The room is still, just like in the morning. But now I feel different inside. I feel better than before. I feel lighter in my body. My mind is calm and clear. I feel a soft, quiet happiness. I close my eyes for a moment. I remember the park, the trees, the birds, the warm sunlight, the small squirrel and the kind people. All these simple moments come back to me. They were not big things. Nothing exciting or loud happened. But they felt real and beautiful. Sometimes we don't need big plans. We just need a little time outside. A little fresh air and quiet space. I open my eyes and smile softly. My home feels warm and comfortable here. I feel safe and relaxed here. Today was not a big day, but it was a very good day. Very simple, very calm, and very beautiful. Thank you for spending this day with me.